Honestly, it's super rare that we have a case where somebody has been awarded the SLISU Award for all 5 of our values. And this time around, we have that.
When I first came to Purdue University almost 15 years ago, so back in 2006, um, I, it was just wonderful to be around people who truly care, and people who were genuine, and people who believed in respecting the coworker, respecting the student, respecting that other person.
He is amazing. He has a great personality, and I truly believe that he really cares for the students, and that's what makes my life much easier.
So Willie Cruz, it is my honor to present to you our Student Life is You Award.
I'm honored. It's a privilege, obviously, and an honor to be selected for this award.
It's not just about me, but it's also about our students. So he knows the story about each one of them, he knows the naming, he knows what's going on with them, and he asks what's going on with their lives. So that's why I love work for him, because for me, it's a different way of seeing how he treats other people, He cares about the students by a whole person, not about okay, how are the grades,
Not only did we hear from our peers, which we frequently do, our coworkers or supervisors, but we also had several students who really just glowed about the ways that you impacted their work, impacted their lives.
When I heard Dr. Beth read part of the submissions, part of the things that people said, it was truly humbling because, I'm part of a team, right? I'm part of a group of people who come to work every single day and go above and beyond, and we're constantly trying to do the best that we can to help our students, to help one another, to build this sense of community.